So I just recently installed a starter into my 3rd gen 4runner and got it to turn over for the first time in 10 years. Now that I've got it to turn over, I've realized that when I turn on the ignition, no fuel pump noises. So I'm gonna have to get a new fuel pump to be able to see if this thing will start. Because right now, I don't hear anything whenever I'm turning it on. I'm gonna keep on doing it. I'm gonna do it again. All the doors lock, radio turns on, all that stuff, but no fuel pump. Yeah, there's no good, Mr. George.